Breaking news coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah slams Congress for fake promises. Shah says Kharge accepted that Congress failed to fulfill promises. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren wades into Congress guarantee row. Says we make only as many promises as we can fulfill. We are people who work much beyond our promises. That's the latest.
मैं यही बता रहा हूं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, राजस्थान कई जगह काम कर रही है। अभी अभी सरकारें चुनकर आई है 1.5-2 साल में। हमने हमारे हर वादे को एड्रेस किया है और कांग्रेस पार्टी हिमाचल, कर्नाटक और तेलंगाना तीनों जगह पे दिए हुए वादों को पूरा करने में फेल गई है। और खड़गे साहब को भी मैं बधाई देता हूं। कम से कम जनता के सामने उन्होंने स्वीकार किया है कि हम हमारे वादे पूरा करने में फेल गए हैं। झारखंड की जनता खड़गे साहब की स्वीकृति का संज्ञान ले और इनके वादों का मूल्यांकन करे, ऐसा मेरा झारखंड की जनता को अपील है।
वादे ऐसे करो जो पूरे हो सके। हम लोग वादे से कहीं आगे हम लोग काम करने वाले वैसे लोग हैं।
Satyajit Kumar is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Satyajit, political battleground is heating up in Jharkhand. We see Home Minister Amit Shah has hit out at the Congress, saying that they accepted that they failed to fulfill their promises. They made false promises. And now Jharkhand Chief Minister has come in defense of Congress, saying that we work beyond the promises we make.
Yes, of course, the exchange of words have started and trading of words have started between the political parties, and Jharkhand is set to go for polls on 13th November and 20th November. Ahead of that, BJP has released its manifesto. The party calls it Sankalp Patra. They don't call it announcement. They say that this is our pledge and we are going to deliver it. So this has started. Already the Maiya Saman Yojana is on in Jharkhand. 1,000 rupees is being paid. Now 2,100 rupees have been announced by the BJP that it will be credited every month on 11th to the eligible women. So Hemant Soren has questioned whether they will be able to fulfill the promises or not if they come back to power. That is why he has launched a scatting attack that we have gone beyond the promises also, but one should make promises that could be delivered. This is what Hemant Soren has said. So it is very pretty natural that exchange of trading of allegations, trading of words have started, and political battleground has been drawn, and all the political parties are spewing venom against each other.
And Satyajit for bringing us all those details.